Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making beef chow fan, a classic Cantonese stir-fry noodle dish that all about bold flavors, rich textures, and simplicity to its finest. Don't forget to check out the video description for the full list of ingredients. Let's get started by prepping our noodles. We're using wide, flat rice noodles, also called whole fan. Soak them in a mix of 2 liters of boiling water and 1 liter of cold water for approximately 30 minutes to soften. Did you know chow fan means fried noodles in Cantonese? It's a popular comfort food found in Hong Kong, southern China, and Chinese takeouts all around the world. While the noodles soak, let's get our veggies ready. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Chop 3 stalks of green onion. Cut about 30 grams of garlic chives into 2-inch lengths. Wash a handful of bean sprouts and set them aside. Garlic chives are not actually the same as regular chives. They have mild garlicky flavor and are a staple in many Chinese dishes. Next, you need about 500 grams of a tender cutlet, flank, sirloin, or even ribeye. Slice it thinly so it soaks up all the marinade and stays juicy. Time to marinate the beef. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Then pour over the beef. Toss to coat well. Add half tablespoon of cooking wine. It's optional but highly recommended. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and toss again. That bit of baking soda breaks down the protein fibers and makes the beef melt in your mouth tender. That's a classic Chinese cooking trick. Once the noodles have soaked for 30 minutes, drain and rinse with cool water. Shake up excess water and toss with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to keep them from sticking and give that signature glossy look. Let's make the marinade sauce for the beef now. In a bowl, mix together half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Add this mixture to the beef. Then dissolve 2 teaspoons of potato starch in 1.5 tablespoons of water and mix into the beef. Add 1 tablespoon oil and give it a final toss. Now, let's make the stir-fry sauce for the noodles. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, half tablespoon of vegetable oil. Dark soy sauce is aged longer and has a deeper color and molasses-like sweetness. It gives that beautiful caramel look to dishes like this one. Mix until dissolved. Time to bring it all together. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a wok or deep pan on medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. When you hear that sizzle, add the marinated beef. Let the beef sit for about a minute before stirring. Then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and the remaining garlic. Let it heat for a minute, then add your rice noodles, followed by the stir-fry sauce. Gently toss until the noodles are fully coated. Then, add the bean sprouts, green onions, garlic, chives, and beef. Give everything a gentle toss. Don't overdo it, or the noodles may break. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until heated through, then turn off the heat. Transfer to a serving plate and drizzle a little light soy sauce on top. And there you have it, beef chow fun. It's a savory, smoky, and packed with umami. You've got soft noodles, a little crunch from the sprouts, and juicy tender beef. Just one bite and you know why this dish is a classic. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and delicious meals. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye for now.